we have larger plans for Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, we are also, getting accredited by the Abu Dhabi local municipality and other oil companies for the lifting equipment department. And Ram will just explain to you in detail about that.
Abu Dhabi, we have contract with ADNOC group of companies. We have giving better services to. We awarded with the Gasco contract for worldwide inspection and site construction inspection, and we are going to secure that with ADCO also for site construction and third party inspection. Presently we are running with their asset integrity material management system for worldwide inspection services. We are providing that lifting equipment inspection services and training and consultancy services in association with TWI, and I have with me Mr. Richie, the lifting equipment department head, who is responsible for lifting equipment and crane inspection, and Mr. Radhakrishnan for consultancy and training inspection, and Ms. Tatiana for our marketing executive. We have a very big training room to provide the good training, and we are located at Musafa ICAD 1 Industrial City, Abu Dhabi Business Hub, having 650 square meter of office, and we are well equipped with resources. We have seconded almost 70 people to the different projects in ADNOC group of companies for construction inspection. We have 15-member team of third-party inspection services, and we have almost 10 lifting equipment inspectors.
Richie is a operation manager. He is a specialized person qualified from UK to do all the lifting equipment inspection training, and he's also a specialized person to supervise all the lifting, and he can certify all the lifting plans and certify that. I will just hand over to Richie, who can do specialized services for the clients in Dubai. So far they have not been available in Dubai.
We are giving specialist training on the crane side of things, as in crane operator training, and also rigger and banksman training, and also heavy equipment operator training. We're also doing the inspection of cranes, lifting equipment, all types of cranes to the British standard, and also Lola and Lear. All our inspectors are Lear certified. They're all carrying the correct certification for the country, as in the UAE where we're working at the moment. Our plans for Dubai are to increase the market, and also what our main aim is to make the market a safer place. We're trying to get rid of all the items that aren't up to standard, and bring in all the items and inspect the items to the safest standard that which we can do it to.
We in the Middle East, in Veloci, we are aiming to fulfill our chief executive officers and the group's vision, that to be a number one leading company in the asset integrity management and leading HSE solution provider to all the clients in Middle East. And we are really glad that we could cope up all the expectations of our group, and we will be a number one third-party inspection certification company providing asset integrity and HSE solutions in the Middle East. Thank you.